What I want to know is why didn't anybody tell me about this? Salon blowouts in up to half the time, 22% more shine, 36% less breakage. Let's do it. They're not kidding. This is a game changer. I used to have to blow dry my hair for at least 45 minutes, and today it took me 20 minutes. And the shine, what do you guys think? If you want more, make sure you follow. This is a game changer. Don't know why it's been kept a secret all this time. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below.